You have decided to purchase your dream Follea wig, but are you in between capsizes, color, or unsure of length? We are here to help you through every step of the journey, and this is why we have created our Fit Kit. Our Fit Kit is designed to help you find your perfect capsize, color, and length. In this kit, you will find 2 fitting caps in the sizes of your choice, 2 bang pieces in the colors of your choice, 1 bamboo cap, and a return label. First, apply the bamboo cap to your head. Then, apply the smaller size cap first, in this case, small. Make sure that the lace front falls on your front hairline and the 2 elastic bands are on the back sides of your head. Move your head around and take notes on how it feels on your head. Now you can try on the bigger size cap, in this case the medium, again on top of your bamboo cap. Wear it for a few minutes, move your head around, and take notes on how it feels on your head. Now that you've selected your cap size, you can move on to selecting your perfect color. Take out the color bangs and comb through to ensure there are no tangles. Take notes on how you like this color next to your skin tone, indoor lighting, outdoor lighting, and indirect sunlight. Next, try on the second bang piece and follow the same steps. By wearing the bang piece, you can see the length and natural placement where the hair will fall. This provides a point of reference on what you think suits you best. For example, if you are interested in the 10-inch, you will know the hair will fall approximately 2 inches below the 8-inch. Or if you think the 14-inch is for you, you can see the hair will fall approximately 2 inches below the 12-inch. Once you have selected your size, color, and length, you will arrange everything back in the box and use the return label that was included to ship your package back. You're now ready to order your new Follea. You can order your perfect Follea online or by contacting your Follea specialist to help you place the order.